Let's try to upload another object. Let's upload another object. This time, let's pick anyone really. So yeah. So this time I'm going to pick that. Okay, so that's fine. Then I'm going to do upload. So I've uploaded the file. You can see I've uploaded the file right here. Let's assume that this is also the slide that Mustafa did. Mustafa got angry. He also is going to be leaving, and he got angry, and he said, you know what? I'm going to do the same thing Oludare did, so that the next guy can start from the beginning again. Then he goes in and he deletes. Now, type delete to delete objects. Then it's deleted right here. That is gone. We hired somebody else. The guy comes in and say, guys, I went to AWS S3 cloud-centric root dev. I cannot see the slide the previous instructor prepared. Oh, no. You can't be real. It's there. You must be joking. No, it's not there. It's there. Okay. Are you sure you are checking AWS S3 cloud-centric root dev bucket? He says, yes. Then the director say, okay, let me go in. Oh, it's true. Mustafa has deleted the slide for the class. Oh my God. But hold on. There's a way we can prove Mustafa wrong. That even though Mustafa has deleted the slide, we learned a good lesson when we hired Oludare, because when we had Oludare, we didn't have versioning enabled on that bucket. So we learned a good lesson that the next guy might want to behave the same. So let's protect ourselves. So we enabled versioning before we allowed Mustafa to upload those slides. So then I'm going to tell the new guy, say, you know what, don't worry, calm down. Now you see this box right here. It says show versions. Click on this box right there. Now you see, you click on that box, okay? It brings the version, because as you upload data, as you upload object, the version of it will be created for you. So if somebody accidentally deletes something, you can go back to retrieve it. If somebody intentionally, too bad, that's their loss, you can go in and retrieve. So what you do in this case to retrieve is go to delete marker, okay? Go to delete marker and click on delete. So what you have to do is to delete marker. So delete marker. So come back here and type in permanently delete.